Hi guys, hope you all are doing good. So in this lecture we are starting one of the most important subjects in computer science, operating system. Operating system. So which is also called as OS in shortcut. So in this video we are going to learn everything step by step using very simple words. So without any delay, let's get started. So first we're going to see what is an operating system. Imagine you have your mobile phone. In your mobile phone there are many apps. Suppose WhatsApp, Instagram, games like Candy Crush, Temple Run, etc. Have you ever wondered who helps all these applications work properly? The answer is operating system. Operating system helps all these applications work properly. So let us see the definition for operating system. An operating system is a system software that acts as a bridge between user and the computer hardware. So in simple words, the operating system helps us to communicate with the computer. Without an operating system, suppose if there is no operating system, it will be difficult to communicate with the computer. A computer is almost useless without operating system. So let me write the examples for operating system. Windows, Windows 10, Windows 11. Currently I'm using Windows 10, Windows, iOS, Mac OS, Linux, and Android. So these are the examples for operating system. Let me give a real life example to understand it very better. Suppose we have a school. Suppose this is our school. There are many students, teachers, and one principal. So school contains students, teacher, principal. So students, teachers, and principal. So students want to study, and teachers want to teach, and principal wants to manage everything. Principal wants to manage everything. So similarly, here student means user, user, and teacher means hardware, and our principal is operating system. So this is a real life example. So now we're gonna see why we need OS. So imagine, so why we need OS actually? Suppose imagine there is no operating system for some time. There is no operating system. If there is no operating system means if there is no operating system, then applications can't be run properly, memory can't be managed, files can't be stored easily, hardware can't be controlled, and user can't interact with the computer easily. So these are the disadvantages if there is no operating system means. So now let us see goals of operating system. Goals of operating system. So goal means what the operating system wants to achieve. There are three major goals. So the first one is convenience, and the second one is efficiency, and third one is ability to evolve. So let us see one by one. First one is convenience. The operating system makes the computer too easy to use. Without operating system, user would have to communicate directly with the hardware. That would be very difficult. Therefore, operating system provides a simple interface. So let me give an example. Clicking an app icon is much easier than writing hardware commands. So instead of clicking app icon is very easier. Instead of writing hardware commands, and it takes lot of time and it will be somewhat time waste for user. So this is the first goal, convenience. So let us see the efficiency. The operating system uses computer resources efficiently. Resources includes CPU, memory, storage, inputs and output devices. The OS ensures that resources are not wasted. So efficiency take care about CPU, memory, storage, whether this R is used or not. Third goal is ability to evolve. Technology changes every year. New hardware and software keep coming. An operating system should be able to support these new technologies. Therefore, the operating system must be flexible and upgraded. So, ability to evolve will take care of it. So, let us see about functions of operating system. Functions of operating system. So, these are the functions of the operating system: process management, memory management, file management, and device management, and security. So let us see one by one. So first we're gonna see about process management. So a process means a program that is currently running. So now, so examples of process management are YouTube. YouTube is running on the background. Chrome, WhatsApp, and calculator. Many applications runs at the same time. You can open many applications at the same time, like as I mentioned earlier, YouTube, Chrome, WhatsApp, calculator. The operating system manages all these processes. It decides which process should be run, when should it run, how long should it run. So let us see about management, memory management. Memory is limited. The operating system allocates memory to programs. It also removes memory from programs that are finished. This ensures smooth performance. So we have done with memory management. Now we're gonna see file management. The operating system manages files and folders, for example, creating files, deleting files, renaming and organizing files. We can create a file, and if we don't want the file, we can delete it, we can rename it, and we can organize. So without operating system, managing of files would be very difficult. So file management is very important. So we have done with file management. Now we're gonna see device management. The computer contains many devices, example keyboard, mouse, printer, scanner, monitor, etc. The operating system controls these all devices. So this is called as device management. Let me talk about security. You know, uh, the security is quite common. The operating system protects the computer from unauthorized access and from hackers. Example, password protection. Your Google Mail and your many accounts have passwords, user accounts, permission settings. Security helps keep data safe and secure. So this is very important. So we have done with security. Now we're gonna see types of operating system. So types of operating system. So these are the types of the operating systems: batch operating system, multi-programming, multitasking, multi-user, multi-processing, real-time, and distributed. So let us see one by one. So first we're going to discuss about batch operating system. In this type, jobs are collected and processed in batches. User does not interact directly with the computer while job is running. Example, payroll processing. So we are done with batch OS. Now we're gonna see about multi-programming OS. Multi-programming are kept in memory at the same time. The CPU switches between them. This improves CPU's utilization. So we have done with multi-programming. So multitasking. Users can run multiple applications simultaneously. Example, listening to music while browsing the internet. Windows and Android are multitasking operating systems. So we're gonna see about multi-user operating system. So multiple users can use the same computer system. Example, university servers. Many universities like Oxford, Stanford. So we have done with multi-user operating system. Now we're gonna see multi-processing operating system. A computer contains multiple CPUs or processors. Tasks are distributed among processors that increases performance. So, you know, many computers have multiple CPUs, multiple processors to distribute the task and reduces time and improves the work efficiency. So now we're gonna see about real-time operating system. These systems respond within a fixed time, used where delays are unacceptable. So in air traffic control, delays are not accepted. In medical equipments, industrial robots, delays are not accepted. They want accurate data. So we have done with real-time operating system. So distributed operating system. Multiple computers work together and appears as one system. Resources are shared across all computers. So we have covered everything today. We have seen today what is operating system, why we use operating systems, functions and goals of operating systems, and types of operating systems. Hope this lecture is clear to everyone. If you have any doubts, you can ask in the comment section. I hope this video is useful for you. If you like my videos, don't forget to hit the like button, share, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon. And thanks for watching, and see you guys in the next one.